Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact valve model and that you have the correct replacement. This avoids surprises mid-job. Next, gather your tools, wrenches, torque wrench, sealant, rags, and a drainage pan so you don't stop once you begin. Once you have tools, relieve system pressure and isolate power. Make sure the battery is disconnected to prevent accidental activation. Now position the drainage pan, clear the area for access, and expose the valve housing so you can begin removal immediately. You drain the affected fluid to a safe level while capturing it in an approved container. This prevents contamination and makes the valve easier to access. Then loosen the mounting bolts in an even pattern so you don't warp the housing, and label each connector or hose as you remove it for straightforward reassembly. Once the valve is off, inspect mating surfaces, seals, and internal passageways for scoring, debris, or degraded O-rings. Replace seals as needed so the new valve seats correctly and functions reliably. You install the new valve using fresh seals and apply correct torque to the bolts following the spec. This prevents leaks and distortion. Once installed, reconnect hoses, refill fluids to the proper level, and reconnect the battery before pressurizing the system slowly while watching for leaks. Make sure to run functional checks under normal operating conditions. If you see a leak or strange behavior, stop, replace the suspect seal or retorque bolts. And if problems persist, consult a diagnostic readout or service manual for
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.